So next one is we need to write a Python program in order to match a string that has only uppercase letters. Only uppercase letters. Okay. So for this purpose, let's import the regular expression module, then define a function, okay, matching, let us suppose text is a corresponding string, okay, and first define the pattern. So pattern is clearly specified that it should have to match the string having only uppercase letters. What are the uppercase letters? Okay, so basically in the beginning and also in the end, okay, so in between this beginning and ending, you can see all the letters must be uppercase, yes or no? So how can I define uppercase letters here? Okay, yeah, so uppercase letters are basically defined from capital A to capital Z, yes or no? Capital A to capital Z, and this particular pattern can be repeated in the entire text, yes or no? For that purpose, make use of star, okay, and write dollar here, because from the beginning to ending, it should have a pattern just having uppercase letters, okay. So only that type of strings should be accepted, okay. So now calling this function, which is a search function, from this regular expression module, where we are going to search this particular pattern in the text that is sent to this function called matching, yes or no? If the condition is true, then in that case we can print, okay, found a match. Clear? Suppose if this pattern is not matching with the text, in that case we can print not matched, okay. So this is a function finally, and let's call this particular function with uppercase letters completely, okay. So we need to call uppercase letters, okay, and I'm writing another function where you can see same string but lowercase letters, okay. So let's execute this particular code, and you can see found a match. Match is found if you are working for uppercase letters, yes or no? If you are passing the parameter as uppercase letters, immediately condition is true and you are able to print found a match. But if you are passing lowercase letters, in that case match is not found, yes or no? So therefore not matched. Clear? Just like this. Suppose if I want to make it work for lowercase letters, for example, let the program is to work only for lowercase letters. So in that case, you have to modify the corresponding pattern by taking only lowercase letters and execute the code. In that case, the result is flipped. Yes or no? So this Apache is having all uppercase letters, so not matched, and this lowercase letters, okay, which is found a match. So let us suppose you want to accept all uppercase and lowercase letters, okay, as uppercase and lowercase letters. In that case, you can write here the pattern for uppercase as well. Okay, now you execute this. So this is going to accept both the uppercase letters as well as lowercase letters, and also the strings having both. Okay, clear? Now execute this. So even capital P and remaining letters are small letters, right? Okay. For example, if you want to add digits also to this, okay, apart from the lowercase letters and uppercase letters, you want to accept digits also, okay. So in that case, you can include digits here. Digits are basically from 0 to 9, yes or no? And you can execute here. There won't be any change because all these strings are having lowercase letters, uppercase letters, mixture of lowercase and uppercase. Even if you write the digits just like this, now execute, you'll get again just like this. Suppose if you're trying to include any special character like percentage, okay, at the rate symbol like this, then you can see the result is modified like this, because this particular pattern is not going to identify this type of special characters, okay. Even if you write underscore here, even if you write underscore, it is not going to identify, yes or no? Because underscore is not specified in the pattern, okay. Suppose you want to include this underscore here, you can add underscore like this and execute this code. You will be able to get the result as found a match, because these strings are having underscore, and this underscore is also included in the pattern. Hence, this type of strings are accepted. So this is a complete program for, okay, accepting the strings that are having uppercase, lowercase letters, digits, and underscore. Okay, this is the complete pattern for this, and we are able to get the result for this input. Yes or no? So like this.